Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo Uno, modules one and two here. So the important thing before you get started here is to make sure you take that summer class specifics quiz. It's just agreeing that you understand everything about the format, the accelerated format for the summer class. So make sure you take that and you agree to that. If you don't do that, you won't be able to see this assignments that I'm about to show you. So make sure you do that first. Okay, so then we have here module one. So look, only 2 days because it really is just the setup. It's just to make sure that you know how to submit a recording, that you know how to take a quiz. For every module, you will have the overview video and then we'll have the readings and resources and then the assignments. So the readings and resources in module one, it actually has all the textbook pages and everything that you need for modules one and two. The assignments though, you actually don't really need those textbook pages yet. But they're there because modules one and two together. So you can start looking at those, but the important thing is that by May 15th, you've got to submit these module one assignments, which again, you will only be able to see once you submit that summer class specifics quiz. So discussion board, we just need to introduce yourself, answer these questions, make sure you get your initial post in by May 15th, and then make sure you respond to your classmates by May 20th. So just answer those questions. The first speaking assignment, I just need you to record something in English. Just tell me, hi, your name. I just want to make sure that your recordings work because we will need to submit speaking recordings every module. So just make sure that you know how to do it. The academic integrity policy, you just need to agree to that also. You can just type in the box, I agree, and submit that. You don't have, or take a photo of it or e-sign, just anything to show me that you've read that and you agree to that. And then the module one quiz, it's not a quiz about the content. It's just about the like that you looked at the calendar, that you understand how many assignments we have. It's just to make sure that you understand how to take the quizzes. Okay, then we have the first, so all of those, the academic integrity policy, the speaking assignment, and the discussion board are due by May 15th. So get those in immediately. And then we have until May 20th to submit that quiz and to submit the first homework packet. So the first homework packet, it does go over the things from the book. So you have until May 20th, but get started on that as soon as possible. So that's it for module one, and then check out module two in just a second.